You can do it.
There you go.
It's going to be a photo finish. Go for it, Nathan. Keep going. Okay, here comes a nightingale around the turn.
He's yelling. It's so funny. Go, Nightingale! Here comes the one behind you. Go!
Nathan Hale is right behind the nightingale.
Hurry, they're catching up!
Oh, it's going to be a photo finish. Oh, watch out for the submarine. Out for the submarine. Here they come. Shoot him on!
Come on!
Hey,
Come on!
here they come. Come on, Nightingale. Put some muscle in you. Oh, Nightingale! Hit the reach first. Down, Nightingale. Hey! Okay. Well, we're still working out there. Hey,
Well, you can see the two Erickson boats.
Just grab hold of another boat and be towed.
Okay. Here we go. We've got all that artwork coming close to shore. Followed up with an American flag. Here we go. There we go.
Going.
Hey, we got another one. They've reached the shore safely. There we go. Here we go. Keep rolling, you're doing good. Hey, yeah, keep going.
Hey, do-over!